Hi, welcome back to Margaret Country Crafts and Miniatures. My name is Catherine and thank you for clicking on this video. Thank you for coming to this video. I really appreciate all the new subscribers. And if you're not subscribed yet, please subscribe. Today I'm going to show you my miniature autumn scene. So this is a little diorama that I put together using various miniature items. And I'm going to take you through a tour of this little miniature country store autumn scene. So starting out, we have an overview of the country store and the pumpkin patch that surrounds it. I used many miniature pumpkins, as you can tell. The base of this, the country store part, I got from Value Village, so I thrifted it, and it was a birdhouse originally. And it was of a country store, so it had these signs on it: fresh eggs, a welcome sign, hay bales for sale, it had that as well. And I kind of added on to it. So I added a platform and I added a pumpkin patch beside it. I kind of expanded on this birdhouse. And it does plug in because it does light up. And I'm just gonna plug it in so that you can see. I put fairy lights inside of the store, the birdhouse / store. And it lights up with like a blue colorful, blue and red colorful light, and also like a warm light as well. Has different modes on these fairy lights. And then in the back here, I have some miniatures from Michael's Craft Store. So last fall they had a bunch of miniatures, part of their fall collection. These were like hay bale. The hay bales might be from Dollar Tree though. The scarecrow's definitely Michael's Craft Store. I know that for sure. Did I mention I made this last year? I made this quite a long time ago, and that's why I'm showing it to you now, and why I can't show you the process is because this predates my YouTube channel. I did not have a YouTube channel when I put this together, and I kind of really wish I did so I could show you the process. But I'm going to try my best to take you through each and every piece, how I did things, how I painted things, how I customized things. Like this, for instance, Marty's Country Store. That's named after my dog. So that's a little nod to my dog. And then just going back to a view of the front, I put these little miniature fence posts in around the property line, I guess you can call it, of the diorama space, and those are from Dollar Tree. So I'm gonna take the birdhouse main part off to show you the platforms that it's sitting on. And I'm just gonna set it down so that I can show you these individual pieces. So this is a wood piece. It's just like a wood canvas piece, probably from Dollarama or Dollar Tree, one of the dollar stores. And I covered it in this leather fabric from Dollar Tree. I know that for sure it's from Dollar Tree. I thought it was like a really nice quality fabric to cover this in, to have the main store piece sit on. And then the other piece This is like a Frankenstein. Like, these are different wooden pieces that I had in my stash. Like, one was from like a letter kit, like a wooden letter kit. So I kind of mashed and glued those together to create that base that goes on the side. And basically just those two platforms get pushed together. And then the birdhouse / country store sits right on top, and the leather patches kind of give a nice guide of where it sits exactly. And the reason why I made it like this is because I knew it was going to be a longer piece, a wider piece, and I wanted something easier to store away each season when I have to pack it up for next year. If you're liking this video, please like it. If you would like to subscribe, I would love that. Please subscribe. And please turn on the bell notifications so you know when I upload. So I wanted the pieces to be removable and taken apart. We have the red truck with the pumpkins in the back. That's from Dollar Tree. We have the pumpkin patch sign. That's also from Dollar Tree. We have the faux grass, which I got from Dollarama, I think, all pasted down. We have this little happy fall little gateway part that I put in between the fence posts. This is from Dollar Tree. You probably saw a lot of them. Little pumpkins in a little wagon. Those are from Dollar Tree. The bigger pumpkins that are stacked, those are from Michael's Craft Store. And a lot of some of the pumpkins are from, there's the scarecrow again, but some of the pumpkins are from Michael's Craft Store. But a lot of them are just the little pumpkin gems that you would get at Dollar Tree. These hay bales, they're from Dollar Tree as well. They're just a great piece to accompany this whole diorama. And these faux little tree pieces, I have no clue where I got these tree pieces. They must have been from a dollar store, but I thought they looked very fall-like. And there we have my diorama piece. I know this was a quick one. I tried my best to go through every single piece and show you it all. I hope I didn't miss anything. If I missed anything, let me know. Like, ask me questions in the comments. Ask me about certain pieces that you're interested about. But I wanted to keep this short. But thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye.